If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Do you intercrop to maximize your space? I'll show you how. Sponsored by
MyGardener.com, with over 450 varieties of non-GMO, heirloom, organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents. MyGardener.com.
So we've got a rows of garlic here. I've got 3 distinct rows of garlic that we planted last October. Now what we can do, this will be ready late June, possibly first week in July, somewhere in that range. What we can do here is utilize the inside of the row here and intercrop, planting radishes. We're going to plant some champion radishes, some Easter egg radishes, and some purple plum radishes. And we can actually get 2 rows here of those radishes per, so we can get 4 rows of radishes. And with that being that many radishes, I might divide this in half and do 4 different varieties of radishes. They're all going to mature in about 25 to 32 days. So keep that in mind. Very quick turnaround on these. So that's what we're going to do. All right. I'm just going to make 2 drills, or 2 little rows here. Seeds only need to go down 1/4 of an inch at most there. About every inch or so. So that's 2 there. Let's get those planted, and then we can cover them up and move to the other side. And I'm not spacing them out exactly 1 inch. I'm just kind of broadcasting them down the row till I get to about halfway, and then I'll switch varieties. It doesn't have to be specific. Now, if you want to use a square foot garden method, that's 16 per square foot. But right now, not a big deal. Just want to get them in the ground, and then we'll get them covered up here. Now we just cover this 2nd row and 3rd row, or 3rd and 4th row up. If you get a little too much soil on it, don't worry about it. They will come up. And then in a couple of days, you're going to see them germinate, and you're going to have 2 crops planted in the same area, intercropping. Now this can be done in a variety of different scenarios. Do we just find that the radishes early in the season are a great intercropping item to mix in because of that 18, 20 to 30 day range that they are ready to harvest. Early on, if we had more time, and it was, we could have put possibly peas in here, or beets that take about 70 days and time that out right. So, but this will work just fine.
For more information, please visit theWisconsinVegetableGardener.com.